We all have heard of the term Jyotirling, but do you know what is a Jyotirling? What does it mean? In Hinduism, a Jyotirling is considered to be the supreme devotional representation of Lord Shiva. The word is derived from Jyoti, which means radiance or light, and Linga, which means sign or symbol. Unlike traditional idols or carved stones, a Jyotirling is believed to be a column of light or a self-manifested Swayambhu form of Lord Shiva, representing his infinite and formless nature. According to Shiv Puran, a dispute once arose between Lord Brahma, the creator, and Lord Vishnu, the preserver, regarding who was more powerful. To settle the debate, Lord Shiva pierced 3 worlds as a massive, endless pillar of light, which is the Jyotirling. Brahma and Vishnu were tasked with finding the end of this light. Neither could find the limit. Vishnu admitted that he couldn't find the base, while Brahma lied about finding the top. Lord Shiva then appeared from the light, revealing that he is the beginningless and endless source of the universe. There are total 12 Jyotirlings scattered across India. Each site is considered highly sacred, and a pilgrimage to all 12 is believed to liberate a soul from the cycle of birth and death. The 12 Jyotirlings are Somnath, situated in Veraval, Gujarat; Mallikarjun, situated in Sri Sailam in Andhra Pradesh; Mahakaleshwar in Ujjain, Madhya Pradesh; Omkareshwar in Khandwa, Madhya Pradesh; Kedarnath in Garhwal Himalayas in Uttarakhand; Bhima Shankar in Pune, Maharashtra; Kashi Vishwanath in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh; Triambakeshwar in Nasik, Maharashtra; Baidyanath in Deoghar, Jharkhand; Nageshwar in Dwarka, Gujarat; Rameshwaram in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu; and finally Krishneshwar in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Unlike regular lingas or lings, the Jyotirlings are not installed by humans. They are seen as direct manifestations of Shiva's energy. They are often associated with different tattvas or elements and specific legends where Shiva appeared to protect his devotees. Pashupatinath temple in Kathmandu, Nepal is not included in the traditional list of 12 Jyotirlings. However, it is deeply revered as the head or crown of all the Jyotirlings. And a pilgrimage to the 12 Jyotirlings is considered incomplete without visiting Pashupatinath.